This is the coolest power bank that I ever had and used on a trip. It's so cool. This is the Remax RPP632 power bank. I actually bought it myself with less than the $10. Let's first see what's inside the box. Now let's see what this power bank can do. First, it's 97 grams. The problem with the big power bank like this 20,000 one is that they're heavy. This one weighs 347 grams. That's about 120 grams more than my phone plus its case. And because it's so light, it won't damage the USB-C port of your phone. And of course, it doesn't fall. The USB-C is so long to connect even with the case on. It has a 5000 mAh capacity that can charge many phones up to 80%. That is more than enough for trips. I recommend this product and I give it 3.5 out of 5 stars. The first missing 0.5 is because the battery quality doesn't seem great and its percentage display isn't very accurate, especially near empty. The second 0.5 is because it can charge and discharge at the same time, meaning you can't plug it into your phone and then charge both with just one cable. It doesn't have that feature. And the last 0.5 is because it doesn't support any fast charging and it takes about 3 hours to recharge. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video.